How to install a pool safety cover on a swimming pool that has a waterfall. Now, waterfalls are one of the most difficult features to accommodate with a pool safety cover. Now, when I say that, the cover itself is still going to go on the pool, but how nicely is it going to marry together where the cover meets the waterfall? And the problem here is that waterfalls, typically speaking, are going to be manufactured stone or natural stone, and ultimately they're going to have an uneven face, and it's very difficult for a cover manufacturer to make the cover such that it fits perfectly in that location. So if you have a waterfall, the best thing that you can do is measure very carefully. Create many plot points and measure all sorts of different ways to that waterfall. Give the manufacturer more information than they need, and then also include pictures of the waterfall from different angles with different measurements. And that will allow the cover manufacturer to get the best idea possible of what you're trying to accomplish here, such that they can make the best possible fitting cover. Now, when it comes time to install that cover, it goes a little bit different than what a typical regular pool safety cover installation might include. Normally on a pool safety cover, you would stretch the cover out over the pool, you would weight it down with buckets full of water or something like that, and then you would use that to orient the cover to the best possible fit, and then start drilling the anchors in place. When you have a pool with a waterfall, you really have to locate the cover at the waterfall first, because that area needs to fit perfectly, and if it doesn't, it's going to be very obvious that it doesn't, and it potentially might not even be safe anymore, which defeats the purpose entirely of having a safety cover. So if you have a swimming pool with a waterfall, line up the safety cover on the pool, weight it down with buckets of water such that you can orient it to the best possible fit, but the first anchors you drill are the ones closest to the waterfall, which allow you to make sure that that waterfall is lining up in the best possible way. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.